Hello everyone. As most of you know, as part of our Strength in Scripture program that we're running on YouTube, we're trying to do a missionary outreach to the children of Haiti, as it was announced previously. So here we have boxes of backpacks that we already purchased, and these backpacks already come with some school supplies that we will be distributing to the children in Haiti. They will have to all be packed in the suitcases. We have 3 suitcases, but besides that, we also have somebody donated toothbrushes, toothpaste, shampoo, soap, and things like that, and some utensils as far as pencils and things like that for the school supply. So please stay in tune as we will continue the progress of as soon as we pack this, we'll take another picture, we'll take another video to give you another update. And tomorrow we actually will be traveling to Haiti, so stay tuned.